Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. In the previous class, I had explained to you regarding the graphical presentation of data, and there are four types of graphs. Graphical presentation of frequency distribution. It's all about frequency distribution, representing that frequency distribution in terms of graphs. And there are four types of graphs that we have to study this year. Number one is histogram. Number two is frequency polygon. Number three is frequency curve. Number four is ogives. I also had explained in the previous video regarding histogram. What is histogram? How to draw a histogram I had explained. And then I also told what are the conditions to draw a histogram. I also told you what are the uses of drawing histogram. Okay. And I also promised to you that I will be showing it to you how to draw a histogram. Okay, so today I will be explaining to you about how to draw an histogram for equal width of class interval, students. If the class intervals are of equal width, how to draw it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to explain to you. So the data or the question is on the screen, students, very clearly mentioned there. Draw a histogram. Okay, draw a histogram from the following data, and the data is given to us as class interval frequencies and all, students. Class intervals are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, okay, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. You see there is an equal width of class intervals, and these are the frequencies. So I'll add one more question to it, to students, and plot mode, okay, according to this, and plot mode. So this is the question. Draw a histogram from the following data and plot mode. Okay, will that be okay? Yes. So now, students, this is a graph. What you can see is on that squares. You see there are squares, right? Okay, there are squares here, and the squares are, you can clearly see them. If it's not visible, yes, now you can see. Yeah. Okay. So these are the things that you have, students. The color, you can see these are the squares. The squares represents 1 square centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter, students. If I just plot a point here and here, this is 1 centimeter, and from here to here, this is 1 centimeter, and these are all the square. This is what is the area per square. Okay. So what we need to do is we have to draw, as it is being told to you, that graphs, whenever you are representing, you always have to represent it on a graph itself. Graphical presentation must be done only on graph, students. We cannot do it on a plain paper, students. Understand? We cannot do it on a plain paper. We always have to do it on a graph itself. So I will write the title, students, as, okay, I will write the title as histogram. Okay, that would be easy for you. Histogram and mode, and mode. This is only just for our reference, students. Okay, as such, there is no rule that we have to draw a write a title and all. This is just only for our references. Okay, right. Now, graph mean we have two axes, students, x-axis and y-axis. According to the explanation given to you in the previous video, right? On the x-axis, class intervals should be represented. On the y-axis, the frequencies should be represented, students. Okay. So for that sake, we need to take a scale, students. Scale is important. Okay, scale is important. For x-axis or on x-axis, I will take 2 centimeters. Okay, 2 centimeters is equal to, okay, one class, or you can say 10 units of class. Okay, you understand? 2 centimeters, like this one from here till here. This is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters represent one class, like 0 to 10 or 10 to 20, 10 units together. Is that clear? Right. So like that, on y-axis, I take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 frequencies. 5 frequencies. Okay, I hope you have followed this. So on x-axis 2 centimeters is equal to 10 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Okay, so let's draw the students. Okay, let's draw. Take a scale and then let's do the drawing. First, I will draw the x-axis, students. I will take an x-axis. Okay, and I will draw. The x-axis will be here, or I'll just take up, little up. Okay, okay, fine. I will take a little thicker line for it so that it will be easy for you to understand the difference between the axis and the points. Okay, this is what I am going to take on x-axis. Okay, right. On y-axis, students, the same. On y-axis, I am going to draw a line. Okay, this is y-axis for us. Is that clear? Okay, right. As it has been told to you, so if this is 0, this is 0 for us, this is 0. So for me, 2 centimeters will be equal to 10 units. This is 20, this is 30, this is 40, and this is 50 and 60. Okay, and one more extra 70. What is this? This is all about x-axis. Okay, same likewise I'll be doing it for y-axis. Y-axis is equal to 1 cent excuse me, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Okay, this is what is y-axis. Okay, on the y-axis, what is represented, students? On the y-axis, frequencies are represented. On the x-axis, what is represented? Class intervals are represented. Okay, so now let's take 10 to 20. According to that, 10 to 20 is 10. 10 to 20 is 10. I'm drawing. Okay, I'll take a little thin line so it will make you clear with the graph. It's a thin line, and this side it's a thin line, and I'm going to okay, fine. Right, the next one, students, 20 to 30, it is 15. It is 15. I will draw first. Okay, 15. Continue till 15. Then this side 15. Okay, the next would be 40. 30 to 40 is up to 40, and that this bar length will go up to here 40. Then we have 40 to 50 as 30. 40 to 50 as 30. From here the length is 30. Okay, and 50 to 60 is 16. 16. This is 15, students. This is 15, so we can take 16 here. Okay, this is 16. Fine. Then we'll draw the horizontal lines. Joining this, joining this one, join this line, and join this line, the last bar. Okay, so you see, this is what is histogram, students. You understand? This is histogram. So if you want, you can just mention on the top of the bar the number. Okay, what is that? The width, the length. The width is 10 to 20 and the length is 10. Okay, this is 10 and here it is 15. Is it right? Here it is 40 and here it is 30. Is that clear? And here it is 60. Fine. Now let's learn how to plot mode, students. Okay. Now mode. Mode is a value which has the highest frequency. Mode is a value which has highest frequency. Highest frequency mean what, students? It is the frequency, it is the value which is repeated most number of times. So when you come across in this, if you see here 10, 15, 40, 40 is the highest frequency. This 40 is the highest frequency is between 30 and 40. It is in this class. That means one of the value between 30 and 40 is our mode, students. One of the value between 30 and 40 will be definitely the mode. Mode is a value which has the highest frequency. You understand? So now how to plot this? So what I will be doing it is, students, okay, once again I will take a scale. Then I will join the diagonals of the tallest bar. Okay, the tallest bar is this one, students. This tallest bar, I will take this one diagonal. Okay, okay, right. So now I'll draw cross the diagonal one. Then likewise this side also I will be doing it, students. Understood? Fine. So from here to here, I'll draw a line. From the point of intersection, this is the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. You mark this to be as O. From this point of intersection, draw a perpendicular line. Okay, draw a perpendicular line touching the, you know, touching the x-axis. See, it touched the x-axis at this point. This is the point. If this is 35, students, this is 36, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37.5, it may be 38, 39. So the value here is the point where it touches. This is the point that touches the x-axis, and this itself is called for us as mode, and it can be 37.5. So this is how we do the drawing of histogram and plotting the mode, students. I hope you have followed this. If you have not followed, go back, rewind the video, watch it again, then you will be able to find out. Okay, right. Thank you very much. In the next video I will explain to you how to draw histogram as well as frequency polygon or frequency curve. Okay, thank you.